light yoga. Then my third and final technique for a sparkly, magical Christmas yoga session with children is my fairy light meditation. Now, if you can get your hands on some LED lights or fairy lights and then spread them out along the floor and get the children to lie down in between the fairy lights. So the Christmas lights are very small lights. And you can get them to, of course, close their eyes and do a body scan with a visualization. So they visualize that each part of their body, as you guide them through it, is lighting up like a little Christmas light. So you would start off at their feet, imagining that their feet are lighting up like a Christmas light. And you can use words, of course, such as light, magic, color, sparkle, joy. So whatever words you feel connected to, whatever it is that you want to cultivate in your class at that time, so that as the children visualize each body part, or connect, as the children connect to each body part, bring their awareness to each body part, they visualize a little light, a Christmas light, sparking up within their body that is full of magic and joy and light, which will take them through the Christmas and New Year period, so that their whole body can be full of light and joy throughout their time, especially if they're away from their regular yoga session. It's nice just to help them through with that visual, so that they can continue a very simple visualization when they're outside of the yoga space. So thank you very much for listening. I do hope that you can try at least one of those 3 techniques in your next session with children. Namaste.